Good morning, guys. Back in the shop. Today we're gonna figure out some things on the JZX. I'm probably also gonna do some clients work, some other stuff, some stuff to prepare. Hope you guys are good. Right now, what I did, I took out the scales. So we'll see where we landed with the weight on the JZX. It's also important for the guys at Nuke Performance to see why the front air checks aren't extracting all the way. So we'll figure that out. And it's the first time I'm putting it on the scale since the major rebuild we did on it. So yeah, let's see where we land on this. Okay, so we have it on the scales. We got some good news and we got some bad news. But so the good news is the car isn't too heavy on the front for the air checks. And we are at 369 and 378 kilos on the front wheels. Cross, we are quite good with a 50.33%. Let's switch over. So you can see the stuff here. What is really not so good is the total weight. We are far off our goal of 1200 kilo. I'll have to think about some stuff where we can cut out some weight on this chassis. This is way above what I expected it to be. We gotta make it lighter, like really lighter. And we gotta move weight to the rear. We are at 43% in the rear, which is far off of a 50-50. But yeah, we gotta figure that out. Yeah, as you can see, the wheel weights, it's kind of even. We're a little bit heavy on the front right corner. I have to see the turbo side is a little bit heavier. So yeah, we gotta dig into this and see where we at. Gotta get in, gotta kill some brain cells on this. All right, so but let's continue on this and we'll just take it from here. Okay, so back in the engine shop. Old friend, not a good one. Here we got to make space, take this all out. 2J that got some issues on track some while ago. Got to clean it up, got to get it out of the way because we got an SR over here. It's already battery cut out. So as said, you got to clean this up. The block looks okay. We might get this cleaned up and getting it ready for a rebuild. Put some nice stuff in there, I don't know, or just keep it as a dummy block for building cars. As said, it has to make space for this SR over here. We picked this up. I'll show you a picture. How we transported it was a bit a special thing because I only had a small car with me. Check it out here. As you've seen, was a tight fit in the BMW 1 Series, but for once it had a half decent engine in it. So the SR, we're gonna rebuild it, just clean it up a little bit. It might be a spare engine for our program, or we're gonna sell it off. We'll see about that. So right now, let's clean up the 2J stuff, wrap it up, pack it up in some boxes, get it out the way. Because we have that 1J to rebuild and that SR to get ready. Okay, let's do this. so we gotta wrap it up for today. Not much progress. Of course, there's always that one bolt that doesn't want to get off, so we got to see what we're going to do about this one. Unfortunately, I can't put this on the engine stand with the flywheel on, so I decided to take it off, but unfortunately this bolt decided against it. But yeah, if you're asking yourself why there's such an odd turbo elbow downpipe on it, this was on an MX-5 NB, I think. Yeah, but we'll convert it back to a regular sump for S14, S13. So it will be a good match for one of our cars. Yeah, so this will be a story for next time. Get this on the engine stand. There's another SR down there, which I still have to do something about it. The 2J is over here, ready to go places. I don't know, we'll see. I'll talk to our engine guy if this is reusable. I kind of doubt it. There's these two which are heavily worn. I have to see what we'll do about it. Yeah. On another note, there's also some diffs which need some rebuilding. We got a nice diff holder made up from Cage Dude. You should have seen it in our social media feed. Super nice. We got the plans of the internet and he built it for us. He has some extra ones. If you need one too, hit him up. Yeah, so that's about it for today. I just posted some S14 ECUs online. I just posted an S14 gearbox online and a diff with two-way LSD. If you need something, hit us up. If you need anything else, hit us up. We are working on the new shop system, but it takes a lot of time, which is usually something I'll do in the evenings after the kids went to bed. So it will take a minute, but I hope to get it sorted as soon as possible. In the meantime, you guys stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.